Step into the world of Classic Army Airsoft Guns, where tradition and innovation merge to create exceptional firearms replicas. Known for their attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and reliable performance, Classic Army Airsoft Guns bring the thrill of tactical simulations to life. Engage in intense battles with confidence using these iconic and reliable airsoft guns. Number 9. Classic Army Nemesis X9. A game-changing airsoft gun that combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance. This compact and versatile AEG, automatic electric gun, is designed for intense airsoft battles. The Classic Army Nemesis X9 features a durable and lightweight construction, making it agile and easy to handle in tight spaces. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor provide exceptional shooting performance and rapid-fire capabilities. The X9's adjustable hop-up system ensures precise accuracy, while its ambidextrous controls enhance versatility and ease of use. With its high-capacity magazine and compatibility with various accessories, the Nemesis X9 is a force to be reckoned with on the airsoft field. Whether you're engaging in close-quarters combat or maneuvering through urban environments, the Classic Army Nemesis X9 gives you the edge you need to outgun your opponents. Dominate the airsoft battlefield with the Classic Army Nemesis X9. Number 8. Classic Army M6A2. A powerhouse airsoft gun that delivers performance and reliability on the field. This versatile AEG, automatic electric gun, is designed to excel in various combat situations. The Classic Army M6A2 features a robust construction with a full metal body, providing durability and authenticity. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor ensure rapid and consistent firing, while the adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy for precise shot placement. With its adjustable stock and ambidextrous controls, the M6A2 offers optimal comfort and maneuverability for any player. Compatible with a wide range of accessories and magazines, this airsoft rifle allows for customization and flexibility. Whether you're engaged in intense skirmishes or strategic operations, the Classic Army M6A2 is a trusted companion that delivers an unparalleled airsoft experience. Number 7. Classic Army DT4. A cutting-edge airsoft gun that combines precision, versatility, and durability. This top-of-the-line AEG, automatic electric gun, is designed for the most demanding airsoft battles. The Classic Army DT4 features a full metal construction, ensuring ruggedness and authenticity. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor deliver impressive firepower and rapid shooting capabilities. The DT4's adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy, allowing for precise shot placement on the field. With its modular design, the DT4 offers easy customization and compatibility with a wide range of accessories and magazines. The ambidextrous controls and ergonomic grip provide optimal comfort and control during intense gameplay. Whether you're engaged in close-quarters combat or engaging targets from a distance, the Classic Army DT4 is the ultimate weapon for serious airsoft players. Arm yourself with the Classic Army DT4 and dominate the airsoft battlefield. Number 6. Classic Army Nemesis. A force to be reckoned with on the airsoft field. This high-performance AEG, automatic electric gun, delivers exceptional reliability and precision in every shot. The Classic Army Nemesis features a durable and lightweight construction, making it agile and easy to maneuver. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor provide consistent and rapid firing, while the adjustable hop-up system ensures superior accuracy. With its customizable features and rail system, the Nemesis offers endless possibilities for attachments and accessories. The ergonomic design and ambidextrous controls make it comfortable and versatile for any player. Number 5. Classic Army ARS-312. An advanced and versatile airsoft rifle that sets the standard for performance and precision. This AEG, automatic electric gun, is engineered for excellence and designed for success on the field. The Classic Army ARS-312 features a sturdy construction with a full metal body, ensuring durability and authenticity. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor deliver impressive firepower and consistent shooting performance. The ARS-312's adjustable hop-up system enables precise shot placement, allowing you to hit targets with exceptional accuracy. With its modular design and compatibility with a wide range of accessories, the ARS-312 offers endless customization options to suit your style of play. Whether you're engaging in intense battles or providing long-range support, the Classic Army ARS-312 is the ultimate choice for serious airsoft enthusiasts. Equip yourself with the Classic Army ARS-312 and dominate the airsoft field with confidence. Number 4. Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun. A formidable weapon that dominates close-quarters battles on the airsoft field. This pump-action shotgun combines power, reliability, and versatility in one sleek package. The Classic Army K870 Breacher features a durable metal and polymer construction, providing both strength and lightweight maneuverability. Its realistic shell-ejecting action adds an extra level of authenticity to your gameplay. With its adjustable hop-up system, the K870 Breacher delivers accurate shots, ensuring you hit your targets with precision. The shotgun's compact size and tactical design make it ideal for navigating tight spaces and engaging opponents at close range. Whether you're breaching doors or clearing rooms, the Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun is your trusted companion for intense airsoft skirmishes. Arm yourself with the K870 Breacher and experience the power and thrill of close-quarters combat. Number 3. Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit, a game-changing accessory that brings unstoppable firepower to the battlefield. Designed for military simulation and airsoft enthusiasts, this kit allows you to mount the Classic Army M132 micro gun onto various vehicles for enhanced combat capabilities. The vehicle mounting kit features a sturdy and adjustable mounting system, ensuring secure attachment to different platforms. With the M132 micro gun installed, you unleash an unrivaled barrage of BBs, providing suppressive fire and dominating the opposition. The kit's versatile design and compatibility make it suitable for a range of vehicles, from ground vehicles to airsoft gun trucks. Whether you're engaging in large-scale scenarios or tactical operations, the Classic Army M132 Vehicle Mounting Kit gives you an unprecedented advantage on the field. Equip your vehicles with the M132 micro gun and seize control of the battlefield. Number 2. Classic Army ISSC Make 22, a versatile and reliable airsoft rifle that delivers both performance and realism. Inspired by its real steel counterpart, this AEG, automatic electric gun, offers an authentic shooting experience. The Classic Army ISSC Make 22 features a durable polymer construction, providing a lightweight yet robust platform. Its powerful gearbox and high-torque motor ensure consistent and rapid firing, while the adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy. With its ambidextrous controls, adjustable stock, and integrated rail system, the Make 22 offers comfort and customization options to suit your preferences. Whether you're engaging targets on the field or honing your skills at the range, the Classic Army ISSC Make 22 delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Step up your airsoft game with the Classic Army ISSC Make 22 and experience the thrill of tactical precision. Number 1. Classic Army M24 LTR, a precision airsoft sniper rifle that redefines long-range accuracy and performance. This bolt-action rifle is designed for the discerning marksman who demands unmatched precision on the field. The Classic Army M24 LTR features a durable full-metal construction, providing both strength and authenticity. Its powerful spring-powered system delivers consistent and powerful shots, ensuring excellent range and accuracy. The adjustable hop-up system allows for precise fine-tuning to optimize your shot trajectory. With its ergonomic stock and comfortable grip, the M24 LTR offers exceptional stability and control. Whether you're engaging targets from a distance or providing overwatch for your team, the Classic Army M24 LTR is the ultimate choice for sniper enthusiasts. Take your airsoft game to new heights with the Classic Army M24 LTR